Welcome to this technical guide on the HP AIO. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP AIO is struggling to keep up with your tasks, it's likely due to a lack of RAM. This can lead to sluggish performance, making even simple operations feel frustrating. If left unaddressed, you may find your device becoming even slower, ultimately affecting your productivity and overall experience. To tackle this issue effectively, you will need a few tools: a compatible RAM module for your HP AIO, a screwdriver set, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage to the internal components. First, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged. Place it on a clean, flat surface. To open the HP AIO, locate the screws at the back of the unit. Using your screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and keep them in a safe place. Gently lift the back panel off, taking care not to force it, as this could damage the casing. Inside, you will see the memory slots. The component that often fails to meet demands is the RAM module. Locate the RAM slots; they are typically near the center of the motherboard. If there is already a RAM module in place, you will need to remove it. To do this, gently push the clips on either side of the module downwards, and the RAM should pop up, allowing you to pull it out. Once removed, take your new RAM module and align it with the slot, ensuring the notches fit perfectly. Press down firmly until it clicks into place. Remember to handle the module by the edges to avoid touching the gold connectors. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, before you close the device, double-check that all cables are securely connected and nothing is loose. Carefully position the back panel back onto the unit, ensuring it fits snugly. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently but firmly without overdoing it. Once everything is back in place, plug your device in and turn it on. You should notice an improvement in performance right away. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check your device's performance and consider upgrading RAM if you frequently run demanding applications. Keeping your software updated can also help manage memory usage effectively. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.